Toy Story, a journey of friendship, acceptance, and unity. In a cozy suburban home, a group of toys came to life whenever humans weren't around. Among them was Woody, a loyal cowboy doll who enjoyed being the favorite toy of a boy named Andy. But Woody's world was turned upside down when a new, high-tech toy named Buzz Lightyear arrived. Jealous of Buzz's popularity, Woody's insecurities led him to accidentally push Buzz out of a window. Feeling guilty, Woody embarked on a thrilling adventure to rescue Buzz and restore harmony among the toys. Together, Woody and Buzz navigated the outside world, facing challenges, making new friends, and discovering the true meaning of friendship and loyalty. Along the way, Woody learned to overcome his jealousy and embrace change, realizing that friendship is not about being the favorite, but about being there for one another. In a heartwarming climax, Woody and Buzz united the toys to overcome the obstacles and return home to Andy. They taught each other valuable lessons about acceptance, teamwork, and the importance of cherishing the bonds they shared. This heartwarming tale of Toy Story teaches us the value of friendship, the importance of embracing differences, and the power of unity. It reminds us that true friendship knows no bounds, and that our differences make us stronger together.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.